We are pleased to show you the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.